For decades, Toyota built its reputation as the undisputed leader in hybrid technology. Ever since the Prius reshaped the automotive world, the brand positioned itself as the company that understood efficiency better than anyone else. But recently, something has changed. Not loudly, not dramatically, but quietly and unmistakably. Toyota has begun acknowledging the limitations of its widely used 2.5-liter hybrid system. This isn't a scandal. It's not a failure. It's something more important. An honest admission that even the most refined hybrid systems come with trade. And if you're a buyer, an enthusiast, or someone watching the future of electrification, this is something you shouldn't ignore. Toyota's 2.5-liter hybrid system sits at the core of its modern lineup. You'll find it in models like the Camry Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, and Highlander Hybrid. On paper, it's nearly perfect. It combines a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder engine with electric motors, a battery pack, and an ECVT transmission. The result? Strong fuel economy, smooth driving, lower emissions, and proven reliability. Best of all, it just works. No charging, no complications. That simplicity is a big reason for Toyota's success. But underneath that success lies a more nuanced reality. Toyota has always prioritized efficiency, and that focus brings compromises. One, performance versus efficiency. The 2.5 hybrid system is tuned for fuel savings, not excitement. Yes, the horsepower numbers look decent, but in real-world driving, things can feel underwhelming. Acceleration can feel delayed, engine noise doesn't always match speed highway passing, lacks punch compared to turbocharged engines, which deliver instant torque. The hybrid can feel less responsive. Toyota knows this. And it's a deliberate trade-off. Toyota's ECVT is incredibly reliably one of the most durable transmissions ever made, but it comes with a familiar drawback. The rubber band effect. Engine revs rise before the car accelerates, the driving feel can seem disconnected, there are no traditional gear shifts. Toyota has improved the tuning over the years, but the core behavior remains. It's not about excitement, it's about efficiency and durability. Hybrid systems are more complex than traditional engines. They add electric motors, battery packs, cooling systems, power control units. All of this increases weight. That affects handling, braking, and even tire wear, especially in larger SUVs. Toyota has minimized these downsides, but they can't eliminate them entirely. Toyota hybrids are known for reliability, and that reputation still holds. But no system is immune to long-term challenges. Battery degradation over time. Hybrid batteries lose efficiency. It depends on climate, driving habits, and usage. Replacement is rare but expensive. Thermal management hybrids rely heavily on cooling systems. More components mean more potential, where over time, rising expectations. Today's buyers expect 10 years of flawless performance. Toyota comes close, but no system is immune to wear and tear. Another key point, real-world fuel economy doesn't always match expectations. City driving, this is where hybrids shine. Regenerative braking, electric-only operation at low speeds. Highway driving, the advantage shrinks. Gas engine does most of the work, battery contribution is limited, and driving style matters. Aggressive acceleration quickly reduces efficiency. The system rewards smooth, calm driving, not spirited behavior. Timing matters here. The industry is moving toward full electrification. Toyota has taken a cautious approach, focusing on hybrids, but even they are signaling something important. Hybrids are not the end goal. They're a bridge. More efficient than gasoline, easier than full EV adoption, but not zero emission. Meanwhile, competitors are catching up with stronger hybrids, plug-in systems, and fully electric vehicles. Toyota's dominance is no longer guaranteed. This isn't a warning to avoid Toyota hybrids. It's a reality check. Choose it if you value reliability, you drive mostly in the city, you want predictable efficiency, you prefer proven technology. Think twice. If you want sporty performance, you do mostly highway driving, you expect cutting-edge tech, you want an engaging driving experience, the key is alignment. The system works brilliantly. If it matches your needs, experts agree on one thing. Toyota's 2.5 hybrid system represents the peak of traditional hybrid engineering, but also its limits. Perfect efficiency comes with trade-offs. Consumer expectations are evolving. The future is increasingly electric. Toyota's 2.5 hybrid system is still one of the most reliable and efficient powertrains available today. That hasn't changed. What has changed is the conversation. This isn't about failure. It's about transparency. Toyota is acknowledging the reality efficiency over excitement, reliability over innovation, practicality over performance, and in today's rapidly evolving automotive world, those trade-offs matter more than ever. If you understand what this system is and what it is, Intit remains an excellent choice. But if you expect it to be something else, you'll be disappointed. And that's why this moment matters. Because for the first time in years, Toyota isn't just telling you what their hybrid does well, they're quietly reminding you what it doesn't